Today it has been raining so much here in Canberra, so we had to come up with some alternatives to tennis. We came up with a fantastic idea. Since we have just two undercover areas, we are running a little bit of pickleball and a little bit of pop tennis. Come and let's see how it goes. And the other game that we came up with is pickleball. How about we go and have a look at these guys?
On the red team! No one hits it! Alex hits it! Alex hits